I've had my mind blown, and I'm gonna share it with you because sometimes in our hobby journey we find stuff and it changes everything. And this is one of those moments for me. What's going on, guys? It's Richard here from Crash Course Hobbies, and today we're talking 3D printing and just how much easier it is to do now. All right, so let's get into it. About 10 years ago, I had a FlashForge printer that was definitely like sort of in the entry of this technology being a thing. And it worked fine, but it took forever. It had a lot of problems. You had to do all this tinkering and all this kind of stuff with it. So long story short, I kind of shelved it and didn't mess with 3D printing for a while. And then when I got into the miniatures hobby, I kept thinking like, man, I wish I had that FDM printer. It would be great to print terrain, but then I kept remembering all the headaches, everything else. Anyways, I get an Anycubic Cobra on Amazon like a week ago. I found it for 120 bucks. I'll link that for you guys. Couple of printers I recommend down in the description. But this thing blew me away for 120 bucks. I think my old FlashForge printer was like $1,000. So the price difference already in 10 years on these printers has just been amazing. Now I know there's some drawbacks to printing terrain in FDM, the layer lines, time, things like that. So I didn't have high expectations, which is why I bought such a cheap printer. But man, I will tell you guys that I am just blown away by the quality of what these printers can make, aside from the time investment, which sometimes can be a little bit, 20 hours, 28-hour prints here and there. But being able to set it and forget it, work on other stuff, and come back to, like a big piece of terrain like this alien throne here is super cool. Then I found, you look at like Kickstarter, there's all these STL companies that are always popping up with cool looking stuff. And you're like, oh, well, I don't have a printer, whatever, move on. But I did find a couple of really cool companies. Printable Scenery is by far my favorite. They have a ton of different lines of different fantasy settings, sci-fi settings, and you can get like an entire board of terrain for pretty cheap. And then print up obviously as much as you want. But I printed up a bunch of cool city ruins for things like Frostgrave or AOS. And then right now I'm working on printing up a ton of this alien Aztec terrain for the New Eden setting. So I definitely recommend y'all check that out as well. Now my experience with the cheaper printers has largely been pretty good. The Anycubic Cobra, again, I got that one on clearance for like 120 bucks, has been a workhorse. I haven't had any issues with it. In fact, it printed way better than the $250 Ender 3.2 that I bought. And I ended up having to return that because the temperature probe failed pretty early on and it was having a bunch of issues. Then I ended up getting an Anycubic Cobra V2 Neo to go alongside my other one, which is a little bit faster, and that one again I've been having really good luck with. So at least for me personally, based on my experience over the last week of trying 3 to 4 different brands of filament and 3 different printers, is that the Anycubic ones have been really solid out of the box. Maybe a little bit less features on the actual like settings and stuff, like on the screen. But the actual printing capabilities for the price have been phenomenal. So I'll drop some links for y'all of some of my favorite STL companies, as well as good filament and printers to get y'all started for really cheap. But overall, if you look at some of this terrain that I painted up in like an hour, one of them I did with just my normal sponge painting and airbrush method that I've done some videos on. I'll link that one up there for you as well if you want to check out that speed painting tutorial. And then another one I did all airbrush with all my Army Painter airbrush paints. And I think just for when you look at like how much this terrain actually cost me in filament and time, and then as well as like effort into painting it, I am just floored by how good this stuff is. Like my printers are going to be running 24/7 now, and probably going to pick up even more because this 3D printing terrain has blown me away. And I can't wait to show you guys the New Eden project when that's done, printing up this massive board of big Aztec pyramids and all this other stuff. So it's gonna be really cool. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to share this with you because it's been really cool. But as always, continue to support your local hobby shops. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.